Press the blue square for Mars, or press the green circle for the moon. Captain Mickey will do a great job guiding the Clubhouse rocket. The first stop on this space adventure is the moon. The first stop on this space adventure is the moon. But that's not the first stop. The first stop on this space adventure is the moon. Press the green circle for the moon. Clubhouse rocket is almost on its way to the Clubhouse rocket is almost on its way to the very first stop, the moon. The crew needs to find 1, 2, 3. 3 treasure stars. 3 treasure stars. I'm afraid that's not the right number. Commodore Von Drake said the green button for 10. Before Mickey and the Clubhouse gang can find the treasure on the mystery planet, Commodore Von Drake says they have to collect 10 treasure stars. Commodore Von Drake says than that. Commodore Von Drake's Donald's rocket chair has lost its color. Press the square button for blue. Press the start button for yellow. Press the circle button for green, or press the triangle button for orange. The Clubhouse rocket has so many colorful space gadgets. Wait! Donald's rocket chair has lost its color. Donald's rocket chair is orange. Donald's rocket chair, I'm afraid that's not the correct color. Donald's rocket chair, space crew with the countdown to blast off. In this blast off counter, the number 5 is missing. Professor Von Drake warned Mickey and his be on the lookout for Space Pirate Pete. Space Pirate Pete is looking for. Press the blue square for treasure, or press the green circle for a cookie. Professor Von Drake warned Mickey and his gang to be on the lookout for Space Pirate Pete. Space Pirate Pete is looking for treasure. Space Pirate Pete is looking for treasure. Space Pirate Pete is looking for treasure. If we count backwards in this blast-off counter, follows the number 9. If we count backwards in this blast-off counter, baseball hat, Professor Von Drake told the Clubhouse gang to be on the lookout for Space Pirate Pete. A space pirate would probably wear a skull and crossbone hat like the one here. Space pirate would probably wear a skull and crossbone hat like the one here. Probably not what a space pirate would wear. A space pirate would a skull and crossbone hat. Aw, Toodles has made it. They have a lot in common. One big difference though is that Toodles has made it. They have a lot in common. One big difference, though, is that Cutles wears a special red bow on top of her head. I'm afraid it's not the fancy hat. Cutles wears this on top of her head. Has run into who's trying to steal their treasure map. Press the blue square for Leprechaun Pete, or press the green circle for Space Pirate Pete. It looks like the crew of the Clubhouse rocket has run into trouble. Space Pirate Pete is trying to steal their treasure map. Space Pirate Pete is trying to steal the Clubhouse gang's treasure map. Space Pirate Pete is trying to steal their treasure map. Press the green circle for Space Pirate Pete. According to Space Pirate Pete, press the yellow star for swimming in space, for eating cookies and milk. According to Space Pirate Pete, one of his treasure. Space Pirate Pete is take treasure. Sorry, but that's not one of Space Pirate Pete's favorite things to do. One of his favorite things to do, Cutles sure do look alike, and count the number of ears. How many ears? Cutles sure do look alike. Let's say cheers and count the number of ears. Toodles has 2 ears, and Cutles has 4 ears. Toodles has 2 ears, and Cutles has 2 ears. I'm afraid that's not the correct number of ears. Toodles has 2, and Cutles has 2. Daisy to help the Moon Men plant their flag on a giant rectangle-shaped rock. It was nice of Daisy to help the Moon Men plant their flag on a giant rectangle-shaped rock. The rectangle-shaped moon rock has 1, 2, 3. The rectangle-shaped moon rock has 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm afraid that's too many sides. The rectangle-shaped moon rock, Moon Man Chip and Moon Man Dale have offered to help Mickey and his pals on the moon mission. Press the blue square for milk cartons. Moon Man Chip and Moon Man Dale have offered to help on the moon mission. They're going to help them find treasure stars. Moon Man Chip and Moon Man Dale are going to help them, for treasure stars. The Moon Men have finally placed their flagpole on a rectangle space rock. Which Mouseketeer? Press the button for a colorful towel. Press the yellow button for a cookie. Press the green button for a bird cage. Or press the orange button for the Mystery Mousecatool. The Moon Men have finally placed their flagpole on a rectangle space rock. The Mousecatool that is shaped like a rectangle is the colorful. The Mousecatool that is shaped like a rectangle is the colorful shaped like a rectangle. The Mousecatool that is also shaped like a rectangle. Press the blue square for Goofy. Press the yellow star for Minnie. Press the green circle for Mickey. Or press the orange triangle for Daisy. The Moon Men have almost. Daisy was kind enough to help Moon Man Chip and Moon Man Dale. Daisy was kind enough to help Moon Man Chip and Moon Man Dale put their flagpole on top of the rectangle rock. Sorry, but it was somebody else. Daisy was kind enough to help Moon Man Chip and Moon Man Dale put their flagpole on top of the rectangle rock. Press the orange triangle for Daisy. The Moon Men sure have collected a lot of space junk. How many treasure stars do you count in the pile of space junk? Or press the green circle for 6. The Moon Men sure have collected a lot of space junk. There are 1, 2, 3. 3 treasure stars in the pile of space junk. There are 1, 2, 3. 3 treasure stars in the pile of space junk. But it's not quite that many. 3. 3 treasure stars in the pile of space junk. Press the blue square for 3. The Moon Men's moon locker is filled with all kinds of things. Do you see something that could be beach? Press the blue square for a garbage can lid, or press the green circle for a beach ball. The Moon Men's moon locker is filled with. It would probably beach. It would probably be most fun to take a beach ball to the beach. I don't think that would be very much fun to play with. Probably be most fun to take a beach ball to the beach. Press the green circle for a beach ball. Flag for their flagpole. How many yellow dots can you count on this colorful flag? The Moon Men were able to complete their mission when they found a flag for their flagpole. There are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 yellow dots on this colorful flag. On this colorful flag. Sorry, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 yellow dots on this colorful flag. Press the orange button for the number 4. Moon Man Chip and Moon Man Dale have quite a colorful flag on their flagpole. How many red dots can you count on this colorful flag? Moon Man Chip and Moon Man Dale have quite a colorful flag on their flagpole. There are 2, 3, 5 red dots on this colorful flag. 5 red dots on this colorful. That's not quite right. There are 1, 2, 3.